What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market to see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. So for tomorrow on SPY, expected move $3.91. Low 441.84, high 449.66. And if it's a 2 sigma move, then watch out for high 453.57 and low 437.93. So it's not a big move unless we get a 2 sigma move tomorrow. That is almost over $7. Then we're going to see more volatility in the market. Now if you're on X, this is my X account, so definitely give me a follow right here. And I also do post all my videos, my charts, expected moves, and also whatever I do every day in the market, I do post some of my plays right here on X. So definitely check it out, guys. Dow is down 0.54%, nasdaq down 1.17%, S&P down 0.70%, and Russell 2000 also down on the day 0.78%. And we got a completely risk-off move here in the market today. On top, energy, utilities, consumer defensive, real estate. On bottom, technology taking a beating, communication services, consumer cyclical, financial, basic materials, and industrials all in deep red today. Week-to-date performance also, if you look at it, guys, a risk-off move here in the market. We got energy and healthcare on top. So if you look at right here, right side of the screen right here, we got all these names, especially consumer defensive, healthcare, industrials, real estate, pretty much in the green today, and especially energy right here, guys, all in the green. We got some of the big names, RTX and LMT going up today. Also, we got D going up. Caterpillar again was up today, 0.5%. And then we got right here, healthcare. All these are pretty much in the green. But if you look at right here, tech sector, chip makers, everything is down. Apple down again close to 1%. Microsoft down again 1.17%. And Nvidia, AMD all taking a massive beating. Nvidia down close to 5%. Meta down over 2%. And Tesla also down on the day big 3%. Amazon down 1.5%. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So tomorrow we got some key data coming out, and that is going to move this market. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we're going to get that CPI data. And then on Friday, we are also getting PPI data, and that is also at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and that's going to move this market. Now, if you look at my screen, yes, SPY here, flagging, wedging, whatever you want to call it right here. And tomorrow, like we got last time, some lower CPI numbers, or at least in line with the expectation, then we're going to see SPY going above 450. Now, with an uptick on that CPI number, then watch out, guys. SPY can drop down to this gap right here, just below 443. And just below 443, we do have a strong support rising red line 50 SMA around 441.64. Now, on an event tomorrow, CPI comes in really hot. Yes, we could see a drop, but I don't see SPY actually trading below 440 and staying down below 440 tomorrow, even on a pullback. And why? Look at this lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart, 445.23. So if you see a pullback down to 440 or 439, 441, those are dip buying opportunity on SPY, especially for a day trade. If that holds here, you're going to see a retracement back up to 445, and that could happen tomorrow. So keep an eye on that, and especially you want to watch that CPI data that comes out 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, guys. Now to the upside, SPY can actually break blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart, 448. Then you're going to see a quick trip back up to 450. And you want to get more bullish above white line 20 SMA, and that is exactly at 452. So somehow SPY gets up to 452, blue sky above, you're going to see SPY getting up to 460s. Maybe not tomorrow, but within days, we could see SPY going back up to retest 460 and then possibly can go even higher. So, I wish I can give you exact answer for tomorrow where the market is going, but all we can do tomorrow, watch the price action and also watch that CPI data that comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And now we're going to look at triple Q. On triple Q, it's sitting right on top of this red line 50 SMA, also aligned with this lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart, getting extremely oversold at this moment. So on triple Q, tomorrow guys, just below 368, you're going to see a flush, possibly down to 366 and then 360. And if that happens, that's going to be extremely oversold at that point on triple Q. Now, to the upside, we do have resistance on triple Q, 372, and that was a big level, and finally it's trading below 372. It was holding for what, 1 2 3, even yesterday was holding 372, and now it's below 372. So you want to see triple Q actually breaking above 372, and now there is also a line with this blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. So definitely triple Q needs to break 372, and if that happens, you're going to see more upside, possibly all the way up to 378, and then the gap above 380.69. Below 368, we do have support 366, and then down here 360. And like I said, if that happens, triple Q gets down to 360, that would be extremely oversold, trading $6 or actually $8 below lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. On Dow Jones ETF DIA, it's down 0.5% and it's flagging right here once again after retesting 350 as a support, and so far that level is holding even today, 350.54. It's holding as a support and not even closing this gap for just a penny right here, guys. Yesterday, not coming down to 349.91. The gap is still open for 1 penny. And DIA tomorrow, you want to watch this level 350, because if that gives up, it's getting down to this level 346, and then lower Bollinger Band now moving up around 345. So that's going to be the next level below 346, and then the gap below 343. To the upside, DIA can hold and break, especially right here, 13 SMA on this daily chart, 353.61, then blue sky above, and you're going to see DIA getting up to 360 plus. And I said it before, and so far it's holding and working, guys. I mean, things takes time in the market. I mean, this is a nice consolidation and also a pullback after hitting 356.70, and so far it's holding 350. So yes, we could see DIA could be the first ETF and the indice to hit a new all-time high, and that could be coming with some good CPI numbers tomorrow in the market. So keep an eye on that. Tomorrow we do have strong support 350, and just below that 346, 345, and then the gap below 343. So Russell 2000 ETF IWM down 0.78%, and look at this magic here, guys, from this lower Bollinger Band, how it's moving up all the way up to over 191. And yesterday and today, IWM came down to 190, not fully closing this gap down here at 190, and instantly getting a bounce off of this lower Bollinger Band and going back up and retracing lower Bollinger Band as a support into closing. And same thing happened today, came down to 190.75 at the end, closing at, and now it's at almost 192. So tomorrow, IWM also wedging right here, and it's getting very tight. Yes, with some good CPI numbers tomorrow, we could see massive explosion on IWM, and this thing can go all the way up to 193.54. and soon as that breaks right here, blue line 5 SMA, we do have also resistance at 195, and that is white line and also orange line 13 SMA, and above that 200, and that would be a massive breakout on IWM. Now to the downside, we do have this gap 190, and just below that we could be retesting that breakout down here, and that is around 188, and that is also aligned with this rising red line 50 SMA on this daily chart. On VIX, we got a flat day or slightly down on the day, but nothing big. And if you look at my screen, it's still trading above $15, and that is concerning. So you want to see VIX getting crushed down under 15, and if that happens, you're going to see market going higher. Now yesterday I was calling it out, and this is not a good looking candle, and even the one we got today, if you look at it, we got a long wick on top, and this is definitely not a bullish looking candle on VIX. And today if you look at it, guys, yes, there were some dip buyers buying this dip just above 15, but also if you look at it, we got a longer wick on top of this candle, and that is not looking good going into tomorrow. So also VIX trading below 50 SMA on this daily chart, which is at 16.15. So you want to see VIX above 16.15, and in that case this thing can run up to 16.85, $17, and then 18. Once we get that breakout above 18, it's still not out of the woods completely. Yes, we could see market selling off a bit, but until this thing breaks 20, guys, I would not be concerned about this market. Now to the downside, strong support at 15, and soon as that gives up, and that could possibly come tomorrow, we could see a massive flush on VIX down to 1441 or possibly even lower, and we could be going lower on VIX because we do have a gap down here. This gap is not fully closed on VIX, so I think VIX can go lower, but keep an eye on this because nobody knows what numbers are gonna come out tomorrow, guys, and that could trigger a massive spike on VIX because nobody has any idea where this market is going tomorrow and Friday. We all can watch and look at the data, and if the data is good tomorrow, then you're going to see VIX crush Thursday, and the market will rally again, and you're going to see market going up, and SPY can possibly go up to 455 to close that gap on top. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.